Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's episode, I'm gonna be working on my 2017 GMC Yukon Denali. My plan is get the front end assembled as much as I can to start preparing the whole vehicle for the paint. I hope I will be able to get the whole front end together. It's a lot of stuff to get it together. When you're disassembling, it's easier to just take everything apart and that's it. But now everything have to go back together. If you're new to the channel, consider to subscribe. I have awesome and crazy stuff coming that you're gonna like it. Let's not waste our time and start working on this SUV. So first thing, what I want to start with is find the fender over there in one of those boxes and start assembling fender and whatever inside the battery bracket. There's a few other brackets that I have to install it. I quite don't remember what goes after what, but this is kind of giant puzzle and I have to find out or figure it out how to get everything back together. It's been a while ago when I disassembled this car. I finally got all the parts, few of them left, but taillight. If any of you have a taillight or know anybody who's selling taillight for GMC Denali 17 and up, I would gladly appreciate your help. Also, I'm looking for airbag on the driver's side wheel. And it's also have to be Denali because it have a different emblem on it. But now, let's find the fender in one of those boxes and start assembling. Guys, I found the bummer, brand new part, and it's already damaged. You can see how big of a damage over here. Some kind of scratches over here. It looks like this fender might have been outside of the box because a little gouge over here and decent gouge over here. And I kind of don't want to go back to a dealer to replace it because I want to start assembling vehicle. I guess I'm gonna leave this and just gonna have to fix it and then show pictures to a dealer to get a discount on some other parts, or that's a big bummer. That sucks. I mean, I can fix it. I just don't want any bundle on this vehicle. I just don't like a bundle, but I do it if I have to. Oh well, I guess I'm gonna have to fix this. It is what it is at this point. Let's continue assembling. What else can you do about it? Alright, I finally finished assemble this corner, putting the fender back on, the battery tray, and all other supports. It's been a long time ago when I disassembled. Now I have to guess which one goes where. Okay, that corner is complete. Now let's finish this corner over here on the fender and core support. Same thing on this side. Then I can install the core support and see if it fits and everything aligns. I'm pretty confident everything should be good, but let's see if everything is good. Let's continue working. I'm done with those bolt corners. I think I'm ready now to install the core support. Let's slam this core support in and see how it fits. guys, I finally did it. Got those lines back connected to the engine. So if you can do it yourself, be prepared. Mechanic will charge you big time for it. I would say it's probably a 2-hour job. It was a big pain, but I managed to do it. Now let's install the radiators and see how it looks. Alright guys, that's it for this episode. Thank you for watching. I really appreciate your support, watching me rebuilding all those cars, commenting, giving me advice on something. Thank you for that. If you like this video, please thumbs up. Also, don't forget, comment, subscribe, and follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv, and I'll see you in next one.